Before I came to Cambridge, money was the biggest question mark. If I get in, can I even afford to say yes?
Financial support from St John's changed everything. It meant I could focus on my work and not how I'd cover rent, food or bills.
It meant I could dedicate myself to learning and growth without financial strains.
Knowing I had received financial support was a huge relief to my parents.
It's given me the freedom to focus on my degree rather than my bank balance.
It's not just financial. This support has given me the confidence that I belong here.
That's why we created the Dobson Free Places scheme, so that at any one time we can fully cover tuition and living costs for up to 40 UK undergraduates from low-income backgrounds.
Our aim is simple: to enable students to thrive at St John's whatever their financial situation. We want to alleviate financial stress so students can embrace all the opportunities that a Cambridge education provides. And thanks to the generosity of over 2,000 Jonians, college is already providing free places to 7 undergraduates under the pilot version of the scheme.
This is a chance to be part of lasting change, to say to talented students clearly and confidently that they belong at St John's. It's a truly transformational opportunity for our college, and it's a pioneering move in the UK.
So why give now?
We have just over a year to raise the final funds and secure free places for future generations. And right now, every £1 you give will be doubled by an anonymous foundation. So your gift goes twice as far.
I was one of the first students supported through Dobson Free Places, and it's all thanks to donations from alumni like you. It has made a huge difference in my life and has opened the door to everything that St John's has to offer. If you can, please give today.
Any gift, no matter the size, can make a difference to students like me.
And me.
And me.